mere 3 months, I started doing it professionally, and I'm so happy that I did. I'm so confident about it now, and I'm so happy. I tell people what I do with so much of pride. Being a people pleaser, I used to always have that grudge inside me. I used to keep everything inside me. So when something there is inside you that you are pouring in for, it will overflow one day. And when it overflows, it's like blast.
Welcome once again to the beautiful Hall of Fame interview with my energy queen Preeti Bapna. She has transformed her life completely by using the energy queen system. She's discovered her life purpose and now she's living her purpose completely, fully, enjoying her life with confidence. She's transforming lives. Not just that, her relationships are blooming now and she's very, very confident. Right, Preeti? So over to you. Let the audience, let everybody know for that matter what has happened with you? So how did you transform so much? Let us hear from your mouth, Preeti.
Hello, Rituma, and hello, everyone out there watching this. So thank you so much for coming into my life. And it transformed a lot within this 1 year. I have seen so many changes in me. And so let me introduce myself. I am Preeti Bapna. Before joining, ma'am, I learned many healings, but I have not used it professionally. Just started doing it, thought of doing it, but was in doubt whether I should do this or not, whether I should go into this profession or not. But after attending her webinar, I felt like I should join her. And after joining her, I felt so confident. Just in mere 3 months, I started doing it professionally. And I'm so happy that I did. I'm so confident about it now. And I'm so happy. I tell people what I do with so much of pride. Before it was like, okay, I'm just a housewife. Okay, I just do, I know, but now I'm like, yeah, apart from being a housewife, I'm a very happy healer and I help people and I enjoy this when I see transformation in other people's lives also.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Preeti. In fact, you have got a micro niche also, right? So you heal people for certain things also, for that matter. So you've identified that. So what is exactly that you do? Let everybody know. She's a beautiful and amazing healer, by the way, right? I mean, a lot of people have got lots of benefits only through her healing. So why don't you talk about what do you heal exactly?
So I deal with stress management. I deal with their emotion being like emotional health, mental health also. So with the diseases also, I deal with diseases also. But right now I'm working for a group of people who are between age of 15 to 25. So those who have come out, those who are into their teenage and they are stressed about their future, their career, and how to go with, they are very low in their frequency when they feel when they face a certain failure. Not failure when I say, but certain setback what they want to have and when they don't get it. So how do they behave? So I'm working with them and I'm getting tremendous results. They are like happy going. So I'm enjoying it, and those people are like they are in, because they are the future, and if they are always at a higher energy, our world will be a better place to live in. So I'm Preeti to work with it.
Amazing. So you are seeing the bigger picture. You want to impact the next generation, the coming generation also, right? You want to make this world, because yes, this is what you said is very true for that matter. Like, CK, now, apart from us, it's the future that will define our entire country, entire world for that matter. And there's so much of rejection issues nowadays, stress issues. People start feeling that we are not good enough. You know, when they study and they work hard and they don't get that, kind of recognition for themselves, maybe at work or whatever career they've chosen, right? So, and you're doing a very, very noble thing, Preeti, and the world needs people like you. I can just say that, right? For the
Thank you
younger
so much.
generation. So thank you so much for doing the work and finding your sub niche also. Like, there are a lot of healers for that matter who heal everybody, and I'm sure even you do that for that matter. But
Yes.
finding your sub niche and targeting the youngsters of today, it's amazing what you're doing, Preeti. Amazing. And yes, now you've started posting a lot of posts on social media. Initially, I remember when you came, you were like so shy to even post your videos on social media. But right now, I can see that it's happening with a bang. So why don't you talk about your confidence level a little bit more?
So I was very shy person. Still I am, but now I have grown a lot.
Mm.
From here to I have come here, and I have to go there also. But in this, from here to here journey, it's like I never posted on my Instagram or social media. I was very shy. I used to feel that people will judge me for what I am doing.
Mm.
So after coming to you, it was like whatever it is, even if I post or I don't post, they will judge me whatever, no
Yeah.
matter what.
Yes. So
So then I started taking.
how does it matter, right? We are doing it for them, not for us. Correct? Yes.
Yes. So afterwards, it was like ki whether they do it or not, I am going to do it. When I started it, I had a hesitation, little bit confidence was maybe here and there. But then when started pouring it, it's like, yes, I can do it. And help came from me because I didn't know how to go to Instagram or what to do, how to post. So help came in all the ways in the form of Nikun sir, in the form of like my son used to help me, my husband used to help me. So with this, my relations also got better. And the Instagram post, when people see me and they say, "Oh, we are seeing your post here. This is wonderful." So I feel like, wow. And my confidence is good. Like,
I can see
and
that happening.
always. And whenever someone says me that, so you're doing a very great job. So you're posting these things. This is helping us. And at that time, thank you so much. And one thank comes to from bottom of my heart. It comes to you people, you and Nikon sir. Oh, thank you so much. That every time I thank universe, every time I thank you people also for that, because you brought that hidden piece of me out.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. And yes, Preeti is now a confident woman who's learned how to draw her boundaries also, for that matter. Yes, Preeti, she worked on her relationship frequency and now she can confidently, with a lot of kindness, with a lot of compassion also, say a no. She's learned how to say a no. Yes, so why don't you just elaborate a little bit on that journey?
So I was a people pleaser. So whatever people used to tell me, I used to say, yes, okay, I will do it. Okay, I will do it. Even though I was not feeling like doing it.
Hmm.
And then, if I say no to someone, I used to feel very bad.
Hmm.
क्या हुआ कर देते ना? What would happen? You should have done this. See how bad they are feeling.
Hmm.
But now when my values are touched, it's like it's not according to my value. I'm not going to do it.
Amazing. So has it got, I mean, do the other people mind now the way you say it? Tell us more about it, because but no bolke wo, to get that compassion from them is difficult, right?
Yes. So it's like before I used to react and now I just respond. I say, see, what you are saying is good, but right now I'm not comfortable doing it. Can I please not do it? So this is what I say. Otherwise, initially when I was like, I'm not going to, why should I do?
Yeah.
It was like that. And now it's like, yes, so now it's like, I'm not being comfortable doing this. So I cannot do this. Can you please don't mind?
Okay.
And they are like, okay, if you're not comfortable, let's not do it.
Yes. So your relationships have also become better, right, Preeti?
Yes. Because I don't have anything inside me right now. So it's open, and they are also, I'm receptive about their judgments also, their love also. So I'm okay, like I'm happy.
You can see that.
I can voice out my thoughts also.
Right.
In a very subtle and compassionate way.
Which was not there earlier, right?
Yeah, it was because being a people pleaser, I used to always have that grudge inside me. I used to keep everything inside me. So when something there is inside you that you are pouring in, it will overflow one day. And when it overflows, it's like blast.
Yes. I understand that completely, Preeti. So thank you so much for inspiring so many other people also to follow their purpose, follow their passion, take action. And yes, confidence comes when you do things. Yes, Preeti, you realize that in your life.
Yes.
It comes not by sitting and thinking, but by taking action.
So we can travel whole universe with our thoughts. And if we want to get something, we have to take actions.
Beautiful.
And it has came like that confidence to take action. It came through you people.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Preeti. And it's, yes, the confidence came maybe through us, but actually you did take the action, right? So Once again, thank you so much for taking action and living your purpose, right? For healing so many people. You've healed so, and now, by the way, Preeti does group sessions also, right? It's just not one-to-one healing, but now she started doing group sessions, earning money also through that. Yes, Preeti? Yes,
Yes.
she's rising on a money frequency also. Yes?
All frequencies have like increased.
Mm.
Like my money frequency, my purpose frequency, my relationships has gone better. My career wise, I have chosen. Before I was like dicey what to choose, because I'm a fashion designer. I'm an art and craft teacher also. So I used to do many things, but I was not happy with doing all those things. I enjoyed doing that, but I was not happy. But now when I'm doing this, when I see a people smile, when he comes to me or she comes to me, they are sad, and when they go with a happy smile, that is like, I cannot explain. I cannot explain in words that feeling. So thank you so much for bringing this out of me.
Thank you, my dear. Super amazing. Thank you once again, Preeti, for sharing your wisdom with everybody, sharing your experience with everybody. So, any last thing which you want to tell the community and tell everyone who's watching this video?
Yes. So you might people watching many ads, but if you see Ritu ma'am's ad, just go for it. I would tell, like, it changed my frequencies. My life has changed a lot.
Thank you.
And you just once you will get in, you will feel like you are in a different world of love, compassion, and so much is there. Just join her and you will see the changes in your life.
My dear, thank you so much for sharing so much of love towards us, towards me, my community, everyone. God bless you. Love you.
I am so happy to be part of your community. This is my happy family.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you.